In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit card from Etsy. We'll walk through this using the Etsy website on a desktop or laptop, since the layout is clearer and matches what you'll see on screen. Before you start, make sure you're already signed into the Etsy account that's connected to your shop. First, head to your Shop Manager dashboard. You can do this by going to the Etsy homepage and clicking on the Shop Manager button, usually at the top of the screen. This area is where you manage everything related to your shop: listings, orders, marketing, and of course, your finances. Once you're inside Shop Manager, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find and click on the option labeled Finances. This is where Etsy keeps all of your financial tools together, including your payment account, tax documents, and billing information. Under Finances, click on Payment Settings. This section controls how Etsy gets paid for your fees and how you manage your billing methods. It's the place you need to be to change or remove a card. When Payment Settings opens, you'll see a few tabs. Click on the one labeled Billing. This is specifically for the card or cards Etsy uses to charge your fees, like listing fees or transaction fees. Now, here's the important part. Etsy usually requires you to have at least one valid card on file. That means you can't remove your current card unless you add another one first. To do that, click the button that says Add a New Card. A form will appear where you can enter the details for the new card. Click into each field and carefully type in the name on the card, the card number, the expiration date, and the security code on the back. Take a moment to double check everything so you don't run into any errors when you save. When all the details are filled in correctly, click on Continue. Etsy will process the new card, and as long as everything checks out, it will be added to your account as a billing method. Once the new card is successfully added, you'll see it listed along with your existing card. At this point, Etsy should give you more options next to each card, such as editing or removing it. Now you can choose the card you no longer want to use and click the option to remove it. Confirm the removal if Etsy asks, and that card will be taken off your account, leaving the new one as your active billing method.